2009 Lexus ls460. How to replace the starter. This is a V8 engine. They're talking about removing the Cadillac Converter. You don't have to. You have to remove the right front tire, and you remove the engine mount, which is this. The first thing you want to do is remove this stud. This sits like this, so you gotta remove the nut, and if it comes with the stud, that's even better. At the bottom piece, these two bolts, they're really long, so before you cut them, do not take the nuts off. Cut them flush with the nuts, and then you cut them, and then you take the nuts off. See, the nuts is right there with the frame. So now you cut it flush, and then when you take the nut out, it will fix the the damage thread that you did with the cutting wheel. So now it will go back in easy. Those studs are way too long, that's why you cannot get it out. But once you cut them all the size of the nut, that's it. You don't need the extra bolt. Take the bolt out. Once that thing is loose, you jack up the engine, and you remove the bracket that holds the engine mount against the block. You push it forward, and now you have just the starter by himself. So you do not have to take the exhaust out. You have to remove all those shields, and it's a lot of little screws. But I was afraid to remove the Cadillac Converter because the studs that hold the Cadillac Converter, they always break. But yeah, so we remove the starter, and you remove the little bolt for this bracket for the suspension, so you can move the arm out of the way, so everything comes this way. Okay, so we have the new starter right here. So now we're gonna put it on, and we have the old starter right here, which it wasn't working, but I dropped it, and now in the bench it works. So it is what it is. So you don't have to take the Cadillac Converter out. It is hard to do it, but it's not super hard. Once you get everything loose, it comes out nice and easy. All right, so good luck. Remember, this is a Lexus 460. Let me see. Yep, it's a Lexus LX 460 4.6 engine. That's what we got. So it's a very nice car. It has 8 cylinders. We did the radiator, and this car actually runs really good, but it came to a moment that he didn't want to start up anymore. But yep, so good. You can do it. Bye bye.